Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. It is in the middle of the night and I am unboxing this doll because I can't sleep, so I won't talk so much, okay? Okay, this one is a doll I wanted for a very long time. Sorry about the lights, but this is what it is. Okay, so now I removed her from the box, and she's very beautiful, and the pantyhose it's real pantyhose. They are not printed on the doll legs, I guess. No, not. That's great. Bangs are really hard. Oh, it's much softer than I thought. Much softer. Plastic's much more soft than I thought. So that's good. Mirror. Okay, she's so beautiful. I really love this doll. She's very beautiful. Her hair is very long. It's very beautiful hair, and I'm sure you can soften the bangs. Yes. Gold jewelry. It's 1, 2, 3 different necklaces and you can snip these ones off to make a short dress. And it's pantyhose, and her handbag, it's the mirror. She's very beautiful, very beautiful. It's a little poodle, and I suppose you could remove these like that. Yes. Very cute little poodle. Very cute. Yeah. Look at the poodle's feet. It's got high heels on the feet. That's very cute. Very cute. And ribbons. I really like these, like the heels. It's too cute. And the ribbons are matching Barbie's necklace. Let's see here. And I guess this is like a headband again. And glasses without glass in them. Mm. And this is, I guess, a perfume bottle. It doesn't smell anything or anything like that, I guess. This is supposed to be like a handbag. Look, a handbag that it says Barbie extra perfume bottle shaped handbag. Okay, I guess. Okay. Like that. Okay. And her shoes are high heels. High heel shoes. Very Barbie core, Barbie extra. And I'm a bit afraid to break the pantyhose because they are very fitted out. Usually when there's pantyhose to the dolls, they are really like nylon pantyhose like this. They are usually very much too big, but these are not. And they have like hearts in here, so it's very beautiful. Most beautiful Barbie pantyhose I've seen. So I don't want to rip them in a way. The glasses, I'm not sure about that, but well. She gets this. Look, it's my dog. She gets this like 80s look when I did. Well, her hair is very soft and very long. Her outfit is very beautiful to me. It reminds me a bit of the Moschino look they had a couple of years ago. Like, was it 2015 or 16? They had the Moschino Barbie or Moschino. I don't know if to say Moschino or Moschino, but Moschino. Well, absolutely stunning and very much one of my favorite Barbie extras because she's very basic Barbie look, very Barbie core. If you want to, I love this doll. She's really beautiful. So I'm really happy I got her finally. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. I hope you will have a nice day. Bye bye.